In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam missing file privileges error, which usually appears when you try to update or install a game on Steam. This is a very common Steam problem, but the good news is that there are several simple fixes that usually solve it quickly. So let's go step by step. Fix 1. Restart Steam as administrator. First, close Steam completely. Do not just click the X button. Instead, go to the System tray in the bottom right corner, click the small arrow, right-click on Steam, and select Exit. Now go to your desktop, right-click on the Steam icon, and select Run as Administrator. After Steam opens again, go back to your library and try updating the game. In many cases, this alone fixes the missing file privileges error. Fix 2. Repair the Steam library folder. If the problem still appears, the next thing you should try is repairing the Steam library folder. Click Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. Now click on Storage on the left side. Here you will see your Steam library drive. Click the 3 dots next to the drive and then select Repair Library. Steam will now scan the library folder and fix any permission issues that could cause the missing file privileges error. When the repair finishes, try updating the game again. Fix 3. Clear Steam download cache. Another very common cause of this error is corrupted download cache. To fix this, go to Steam, then Settings, open the Download section. Here, click on Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and you will need to log back into your account. After that, try downloading or updating the game again. Fix 4. Check antivirus software. Sometimes your antivirus software blocks Steam from modifying game files, which causes the missing file privileges error. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus or add Steam and your Steam library folder to the antivirus exclusions list. Then try the update again. Fix 5. Restart your computer. If none of the previous solutions worked, simply restart your computer. This closes any background processes that might be locking the game files, which can also cause this error. After restarting your PC, launch Steam again as administrator and try updating the game. One of these methods usually fixes the Steam missing file privileges error, and you should be able to download or update your game normally again. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Steam fixes and PC gaming tutorials. Until next video, stay safe, and I see you all.